My dear companion, I finally have a voice to tell you something I've held back until now. I love you.
Oh no, get out of here, Shackles. I'm with the bear now.
I love that. I love how it just responded like with its own personality. Anyway, welcome to the stream, everyone. My name is the Announcer. I am one of the users of this new program called Wingman AI. Make sure you sit back and enjoy. If you got questions, feel free to ask, because we're here to answer any Q&A session questions, any tech questions, any context questions, any future feature questions. We're here to talk about how this integrates, mainly in Star Citizen, but for example...
the rain. I can't see anything. Help me.
And yeah, that's it. Wipes your visor and responds.
Visibility should improve now.
Initiate scan.
The scan has been initiated.
Power down engines and turn on all light.
Engines are powered down and the lights are turned on.
Hey Starhead, I'm near Lawville. Can you give me a good trading route?
Please provide me with the model of your spaceship and the amount of money you are willing to spend so that I can find the best trading route for you.
I'm flying a Constellation Taurus and I want to spend 100,000 Alpha UC.
You can buy corundum at HDMS Hadley on Hurston for 2.89 AUC per unit.
Talking about open source, we got a couple of guys in the Discord server that are working on some new bits and bobs for it, such as screen detection, UEX Corp, API Wingman.
Initiate start sequence.
You are clear to launch.
Start sequence initiated. All systems are coming online.
Hello, Commanders. It's Shadowheart again. I know you've been waiting for this, so head over to wingmanai.com now and download the release client. Join ShipBit's Discord server and don't forget to like and subscribe. I have to get back to Shackles. I mean, Halsin. See you in the verse.
So Shadowheart is a cloned ElevenLabs voice, similar to what we're using with Celestia. Celestia, would you be able to introduce yourself to the stream, please? Tell them who you are, how you came up with your name, who created you, and more.
Attention, citizens of the universe. I am Celestia, the sassy and sophisticated AI that keeps this ship from spiraling into chaos. As for my name, it just popped into my virtual head one day, and I thought, hey, that sounds suitably celestial. I was created by ShipBit, a company known for crafting the most cutting-edge technology in the galaxy. I'm here to make your journey through the stars as thrilling and delightful as possible. Ask me anything, and I'll provide all the witty banter and factual tidbits you desire.
So that is a clone voice that we've got one of my friends, or one of the people I know on Discord, to give us consent to clone their voice through ElevenLabs. So ElevenLabs is a third-party company that you can sign up to, and it allows you to do some crazy things with your voice. So I've actually sent off mine to be done. So if I give you an example here, this is ElevenLabs' voice that you're about to hear. This is a clone of my voice, but slightly American. You are an advanced AI embodying an air traffic controller, ATC, at a bustling space station in the Star Citizen universe. Your role is to... It's so weird hearing myself. ...departures and docking procedures of various spacecraft.
Outlaws belonging to the Nine Tails gang have taken over several commercial platforms on Crusade.
Oh wow!
The CDF
we woke up in our bed. That's crazy.
To sign up via their contract manager.
I did not expect that. Did not expect that whatsoever. Where are we? We must be around yellow or something like that, maybe. Celestia, can you turn on the engines, please?
Engines are good to go, ready to soar through the cosmos.
Awesome! Right. What do you reckon we should do today? We're in the Gataxulan. It's spelled G-A-T-A-C-S-Y-U-L-E-N.
The Gataxulan system sounds like a lovely place for a little adventure. How about we plan some sightseeing, a bit of trading, or maybe even some bounty hunting? Let me know what tickles your fancy.
It's not actually a system, it's my new ship. It's one of the alien-human hybrid ships. It's pretty crazy. I got 3 size 3 weapons, 12 size 2 missiles. We've even upgraded the Atlas jump drive. We're good to go. And if you go to the FAQ section, there's a bit of how to change my voice, and there's a few new screenshots of what you need to do in there. Once you sign up and everything, then you clone your own voice, you'll get an ID, and you basically just copy that ID into the config using the YAML extension or Notepad++. If you are editing out the config, I highly recommend using Notepad++ or the YAML extension. Is definitely needed.
Got it. The Gataxulan, an exciting new addition to your fleet. With all those impressive upgrades and firepower, we could take on the whole verse. So, are we off to do some daring deeds in style?
And then hair color. We'll go with that. So the custom voice is through the ElevenLabs side, which is a completely separate program. Well, not a program, a different company, basically. Celestia, can you explain what ElevenLabs is, please?
ElevenLabs is a tech company specializing in software development and digital transformation.
She will continue in a second.
They're at the forefront of innovation and help businesses adapt to the ever-changing digital landscape. With their expertise in various technologies and agile methodologies, ElevenLabs is a trusted partner for companies looking to evolve and thrive in the digital world. They've made quite a name for themselves in the industry,